Science is simply a word to describe the method of organizing curiosity. Hello everyone, I am Triyaksh, a learner of grade 6E. Today I'll be taking you on a journey of Dr. Homi Bhabha Balvaignanik competition. This is a unique science competition. If you are a science lover or are curious about various things around you, this competition is just for you. So basically, there are 3 levels for this competition. So basically, level 1 is a written test. It consists of 100 MCQ questions, the syllabus being of grade 5, 6 and 7 of the subjects physics, chemistry and biology. However, the most interesting part are those 25 questions of general knowledge in science. It has been a great experience learning the facts of feats and marvels of Indians in the field of science. Merit-wise, out of the 4,000 people who have appeared for level 1, only 7.5% get selected for level 2. So level 2 is basically a practical round of 30 marks. It consists of 5 experiments of physics, chemistry and biology. The MSTA holds practice sessions for this round so that it gives us a good hang of the setup before the exam. Merit-wise, top 10% of the students get selected for round 3. So now coming to round 3. It is the most interesting round but a tad difficult too. The winners get gold, silver or bronze medal and one-time scholarship as well. It is divided into 2 rounds. First is the general interview. It is of 10 minutes and consists of 10 questions in rapid fire format of physics, chemistry and biology. Second is the action research project. The topic for the action research project this year is study of remarkable local efforts for environmental conservation. The aim was to select any one activity that focuses on conserving nature in your local area. After a lot of brainstorming, I finalized on my project, Plastic Menace, recycling the non-recyclable for a clean and green Mumbai. The reason why I chose this project is though we know that plastic is banned in Mumbai, the common man still cannot live without this omnipresent evil that not only poses a threat to land, air, soil, water but also to the entire ecosystem as a whole. My hypothesis was simple. Pollution, solution, creation. If all Mumbaikars knew that plastic is recycled, then we could turn waste to value and reduce the overall effect on the ecosystem. So I started out by conducting a survey and I realized that not many people knew about plastic recycling. So I went out and contacted NGO Project Mumbai that conducts plastic recyclathon every month. So that is how I collected my data for this project. Plastic collection drive in my building. Handing over cloth bags to all those who donated plastic. Meeting and interviewing Mr. Shishir Joshi, CEO and founder of Project Mumbai. Mr. Shishir Joshi gifting a t-shirt made of recycled plastic which I wore for my interview and it was quite a hit. My suggestions to the government that need immediate action. Segregation of dry and wet waste not being done in my area. Plastic beads in shampoos, face wash and other products to be banned like other countries. Action on plastic fibers entering the drainage through polyester and other fabrics being washed in the washing machine. Well indeed, it was a euphoric moment presenting my project and being interviewed on this project by 4 scientists who were constantly shooting questions one after the other. All in all, I would like to thank my family members, my society members, Mr. Shishir Joshi, CEO and founder of Project Mumbai, Manish sir for their constant guidance and support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the teachers of JVCN International School for their prompt reply to fill out my survey form, including the respected principal ma'am. I would also like to thank Miss Anjali Mahindru ma'am for her constant guidance and support. Towards the end, I would like to thank everyone who have helped me bag the silver medal at the prestigious Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaigyanik competition. Thank you.